Welcome back to another Lady Boss Boost, your go-to 5-minute tip to grow your online business without the tech headache. So today's boost, I'm going to be showing you a free software that you can use to help you come up with a business name. If you've been stumped or stuck on what to name your business, this one's for you. So let's dive in. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about coming up with your own business name. So I wanted to let you know that it's very important to have your own business name for your branding purposes. I wanted to introduce you to this program called namelix.com. So it's a very easy to use business name generator. I'm going to take you through a couple other tools as well so that you have choices. So if you were to just put in here, let's just say digital marketing, right? And then we click generate. It's going to bring you to the different types of name styles that are out there. So you can just choose any one of these. If you want to do auto and you can choose all styles, then you click next. It's going to take you to randomness. So you want to select how random. So less random, the most direct name ideas, balanced, more creative, and then of course more varied results. So I'm just going to click on medium and I'm going to click next. So here's where you're going to put your brand information in. So any keywords that may be related to your idea or business and a business description. So we can do a learn to build a 6-figure business online from scratch. We can do learn and earn profits online. We can take out special payment. Okay. We can do learn to get more leads and build your brand. There's so many, like just a short 1-sentence description of your business or product. So I'm going to go ahead and use the learn to build a 6-figure business online from scratch. Now, if you want to check domains to see if the domain's available, but if you're having trouble coming up with a domain name idea, this would be a great exercise for you to go through so that you can actually find some different types of business name styles out there. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate, and then it's going to produce some results for us. So this is where you can see all the different results that are here, and you can obviously click the little save button so that you can save your different ideas. Because there's so many on here, you'll be here for days trying to figure out an actual business name. So maybe you want 6-figure blueprint, and that's more of a name of a course. You got the Profit Flix, you've got Digi Marketing, Sell Online, Online Wiz, Savvy Growth, Biz Spark, the Digital Mentor. So this is something that you want to think about that's going to go along with you and your branding for your business. So the other tool I wanted to introduce you to is the business name generator. So you can actually just put your, insert your keyword to describe your business or industry. So we could do learn to create a 6-figure business online, and then generate a business name. We're going to skip this. And this is where it's going to bring you to the business name generator. So hang in there. They're coming up with them. So this is new. Okay. So it's giving you all different kinds of names. So you can actually see if there are domains available. And you can see if any of these, if you can see if you like any of these here. So eLearnUp, BizFlow, Creatorpreneur, BizNect, and then you can generate more if you want to see more. And there you go. There's some more. So it's not necessarily the name of the course that you're creating. The name of the course is Learn and Earn Profits Online Max. And you want to have a business name. So if you are promoting the Learn and Earn Profits Online course, you would come up with your business name, for instance, BizBlaze. So the name of your business is BizBlaze, and you would have Learn and Earn Profits Online digital marketing training course brought to you by BizBlaze, and that's the name of your company. So this is not the name of the course that you're coming up with. And then of course you can look for the .com, like figurelearn.com or onlineguru.com. You can actually come up with your domain name here at the same time. So the last tool that I'm going to show you is, of course, ChatGPT. ChatGPT comes up with some pretty crafty titles and names and hooks and all kinds of things. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT, can you help me come up with a business name for an online business that helps, and then you want to put your who and how you help them. That helps Generation X people learn to retire early and create a profitable online business by following proven automated systems. Just so you know, that is my marketing message. And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So here you go. And there's 20 of them right there. We got Financial Freedom Express, Gen X Income Automators. I like that. Prosper Xpreneur, Gen X Biz Boost, Gen X Wealth Catalyst. So there you go. So the only exercise you have here is come up with your business name. It doesn't have to match your .com at all. So you do not have to buy it as a .com. You can turn this into your LLC. This could be your LLC name that has these .coms underneath it. So for instance, mine is Limitless Bossability LLC, and I have my www.learnandearnprofits.com as a domain name underneath my LLC. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.